So hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your headlights using the Meguirs Headlight Restoration Kit here. Now, you may have seen my older video if you've been following the channel for quite a while on the Auto kit. So I've got a pair of headlights here, so I thought I'd do another one, but try the Meguirs kit this time and see how it goes. These are a little bit yellow, so I got these lights when I was getting the bumper and everything. I got them a really good price, the genuine Honda ones. So I'm going to use the kit to obviously sort them out. Hopefully they'll look loads better after being done, so that is what they look like now. Okay, so I've just unpackaged it. So here we've got obviously the box, and then this is the clear plastic cleaner and polish, it says here. So you've got a big bottle of that. We've got the bit for that, so that's the one that goes onto the drill. Now I'll make sure not to put this on the gravel like my Auto video where I put it on the gravel and a lot of people were getting angry because I was doing that and then wiping it into the headlight and obviously scratching it. So we've got that there. Then we've got bits of sandpaper. So I believe in the kit it will tell you to go through, you know, stage 1. So we've got 1 on here, so I'm guessing that's going to be quite rough, but that's 1, 2, and then you've got 3 and 4 to finish it off, which is like, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 or something. We'll have a look at what it says in a minute, but use them to sand it down and then go over with the polish to finish it off. So let's just have a look at what it says. So let's go ahead. I'll just grab a drill and we'll get to work on these and see how they come out. I'll do one and I'll try and get it in a better lighting so you can see side by side the difference that it's made. So let's go ahead and start on one and see how it comes out. Okay, so just with the first bit of sandpaper, the 1800, as you can see there, obviously the ones that are not done. See here, it's kind of fogging over a little bit, obviously going over with the sandpaper, so I'd say that's about done now. I've just done this quite a few times, and obviously when it kind of dries up a bit more, it gets a lot foggier, so that's how we want it to look. That's looking really good so far for that. So I believe the next one is number 2, so we'll just do the same process. Keep putting the water on like this, and then it should clear up a bit if I put the water on it, you see there. So we'll go over it with the 2, and I believe that's the other way, and then I'll show you after that. Okay, so I've now gone over it with the 3 and the 4 grit sandpaper, well up to the 4000 grit even, but the 3 and the 4 on that. And I can't actually believe how amazing these look already before even polishing. I mean, look at that. I'll show you side by side, and I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but you might be able to see there. They just look a bit yellow, kind of up there, and these are literally super clear. I mean, look at that. That's just, I mean, you can see it there, can't you? That's just unbelievable. So what I'm going to do now is get the pad attached on the drill. So we're going to put a bit of this on the pad, and then a load of dots all over here to kind of separate it out, and then just go over that with the drill and then see how it polishes up, because already these are looking 10 times better. I can't believe this. So yeah, let's try it with that. Mind as well with this, guys, you've got to take the cap off, and there's a little peel tab on there, just to let you know as well. I'm not too sure why they put that on, but I'm guessing in case if it just popped off while it was being transported or whatever, so it didn't go all over the place. But yeah, I've got that off there now, so we'll just go ahead and put the dots on. So now that we've got them on, we're just going to put it on the polishing pad. So now that we've got it on there as well as on there, we're going to put the drill bit on and just go back and forth across like that and see how it does. So guys, I cannot actually believe the difference that has made, so I'll just show you now. Look at how clear they are compared to that. Now it doesn't really show up on camera. Let me try and stand around here, but look at that, you can see clear. Got the yellowing in the corner. From there you can kind of see a little bit clearer. Now they're still a little bit wet. I've tried drying them off, but look at that. It's honestly ridiculous, the difference that has actually made. There are a few micro scratches on here that I can't get out. I've gone over it about 2-3 times with that, and they're still on, but the overall clearness is ridiculous. They are proper clear. I mean, you can really see that there. I mean, they are really badly scuffed up as well compared to them. I mean, look at that. Meguirs are not paying me for this video, so this is not a sponsor at all. But if you do want to sponsor me, you know, hit me up. I'd definitely recommend this kit. So what I'm going to do now is do the other one, and I'll just show you at the end of the video, both of them done, and I'll probably take them outside just to get a bit of a clearer view of them. I've now got the headlights outside, so I'll just show you what they look like now. Here we have them. This is what they look like. So they are way better than before. No yellowing on there now at all. So yeah, I definitely recommend the Meguirs kit for this. It's definitely worth the money rather than getting another set of headlights, especially for these, which are £120 each new. So let me show you up close. So way better, as you can see there. So yeah, no yellowing, no fogging, perfect. So they probably could do with a greater polish, but I've just not got the time, so I'll probably keep going at it for quite a while with these, to be fair, to keep getting it just a little bit better. But I'd say they are very good. But yeah, as for the kit, I'd definitely recommend it. So if you did enjoy today's video, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully there's a lot of other content on there that you will enjoy, and of my Civic if you're interested in that as well, so check that out. But yeah, drop me a subscription, because I'll be bringing lots more content out on the channel similar to this video as well, doing little bits on the car that hopefully can be some benefit to you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.